Mr. V Sound, take over. Go online, check out Raggo Zulu Rebel. Got MC3, my latest album out now. When I was a little boy, the old people used to tell me, you don't hear of a feel. Well exclusive. Hey, hey, hey. Yo. I got feel. Fire! I am in. Drum and machete come, then we beat the kete drum, then we burn a big fire purifying everyone. Last year 2020, 2021. Each and anything for this we equilibrium, but we ready for this since the new millennium. Cause everybody after 2 pence opinion, I say slew them like Reuben and Simeon. No partiality for race or for religion. Black and white oppressor for dead. Them fly hairdresser for dread. Them bow down to the system when the system pressure them head. Naga left on my veg, provision my herb and pick up their meds. Experimental drugs in my temple. Must be sick in the head. What? Who don't? I got Mr. V. Yeah, yeah. All good, brother. Oh, yeah. Planet Wax inside. Who don't hear? Fire! Natural living life clean. Raggo Zulu, Mr. V said we're set in history. We set the record straight so there couldn't be no mystery. Mr. V, he's got the special key. Sit down on the rips with his speciality. Give them a little freestyle, but none of my style ain't free. Even if I charge them $1 million or just 50p. Give it for charity, cause charity starts at home. On the way we go, we put a fire upon Rome. Cause who don't hear Raggo feel? Fire burn them and them vaccine. Natural living life clean. I mean, rally round the ice, gold and green. We say who don't hear Raggo feel? Mr. V, champion sound. Natural living life clean. Alright. As we roll, Friday night business. Big up everyone inside Planet Wax. If you're on New Cross High Road and you need some vinyl, you know where to go.